see how this goes. Dropping it in. See how that goes. I'm gonna cover it up with dirt and we'll check back. Okay, so I had planted these 3 months ago. These ones too. Over here. 3 months ago. So I dug around there yesterday and there were a couple of big potatoes in there. So I wanted to take you guys along for this and see whether or not I got any more. Okay. Okay, so this is what I got. This was the long stalk. This was the bottom. Okay. So I got some potatoes down there. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Neat. Now this was a russet. I'm finding more little ones. Okay, so I was kind of expecting it to keep growing. We got little teeny bitties. But oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Pull the sleeves up a little here. So happens. Oh my goodness. Wow. Holy moly. Whoa. Dude, I actually got freaking, look at that. There's part of the stalk too, or the vine. Really cool. Nice and hard. Whoa, man. This is like my first time ever like actually like growing potatoes. Well, I'm actually really surprised. Because, you know, I doubt myself as a beginner gardener. I've gardened before, but never intentionally like, oh yeah, I just throw seeds down. Like, I'm gonna grow vegetables. All right, let's look around more. There might be some more in here. I don't know. Okay, so it looks like at least it's something. So neat. So that's how it goes. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's another one. And that is it. What is this even? It looks, dude, it like literally looks like a freaking egg. Like what? It sounds like one too. Oh, gross. I don't know how that got in there and I just popped it and it busted open. All kinds of stuff is seeping out of it. Gross. And it's very stinky. Ugh. Ugh, it's horrible. Okay, I don't know what that was about. Anyway, glad it didn't open in my hands. Here's another one. That's all I got. Is there any more in here? Did I hill it for no reason? I think I did. Even though they were russet potatoes. Nope. That was it. I got more growing too. I'm really trying to like perfect this. Okay, so I got these. This is awesome. See, I got more going in here. It's literally been like past 90 days. So, and these were russets, which I think take longer than the other ones. So all that hilling and all that for these. Let's go check out the other one. I have turds I need to pick up. Okay, this was like a few days later than the other one, so I just want to kind of say this is where I actually felt some way down here and I wanted to do a video today. Alright, so we got this going on. Alright, we'll see what we got here. Very sad girl. I'm gonna leave this one maybe because it looks right. I'm probably not gonna find anything. There's nothing growing in this. Yeah, I don't feel. Oh wait, I do. I feel some. Wait, what is this? Dude, what the fuck? Okay, so they're lower. Holy cow, I did not realize that this... I totally thought this was not gonna produce anything. Whoa, bro, look at this. Wow, I just had to dig a little deeper. Oh my god, dude, I can't even believe this. Holy shit. Dude, I just had to dig a little bit deeper. And way down there, dude. Look at that. Freaking A. I can't even believe I did that. What? Here's one. Holy cow, dude. I can't even believe I'm finding these. It's like Easter. Look. So those were from this branch here. Dude. There's another one. This is so cool. Here's another one. Look. Off of this one branch. Dude. Getting all kinds. For what I thought I was going to get, which was nothing. So, it may not be all kinds to people who grow potatoes, but to a beginner gardener, this is like a gold mine. Okay, I'm going to try to dig with my other hand, because my other hand's tired now, so. It's so deep. I didn't realize how deep it was. Whoa, bro. Oh, look at the little wigglers. You're like, hey! There's another one. I am getting so excited right now. I cannot believe I got this many already. Woo! Wow. Oh, I didn't even think I was going to get this. Okay, so I'm going to put them over here for now. Definitely not going to forget them. Okay, let's look. Let's see, is there any more? Look, there's one. It's tiny, but hey. Oh my gosh, look. I just grabbed that one. That was off to the side over there. Oh, so cool. So excited. Let's see if there's any more. I forgot how deep this was. Dude, look. Another one. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. Those are from around this one. Wait, I think I feel them. What is that? There, I thought that was an egg. Because that egg looks so much like a potato. There's another one. Okay, guys, let me put this stuff in here. So we got this, this, and this. Okay, I'm a little tore up right now, but I like took my hair down real quick because I'm doing laundry and cleaning and cooking, and I finally made the potato salad. Okay, check it out, okay? Tank is really excited to try some. There it is. Everything from the garden except for the mayo and mustard and all that stuff. Oh, and there's 2 onions. I used the walking onions in here, and I used dill from the garden also, and so a little bit of parsley, and yeah. So, and then my Nana's kind of recipe where she uses part sour cream, mayonnaise, mustard, and all that. So, and I didn't have pickles, so the dill kind of, and I threw in like just a baby splash of apple cider vinegar to just give that little tang, you know what I'm saying? All right, here we go. Check it out. Oh, I'm excited. take a little one so I'm not too crazy. Ooh, yeah. Potatoes from the garden. Here we go. Inspired by Robbie and Gary Gardening Easy. I love that potato salad video. Okay, inspired by that video. Oh my goodness. Oh, really good. It really tastes that dill in there. The potatoes. They are so soft. Super tender. Okay, I got carried away a little bit. Ooh, me? All right, everybody. I hope this inspires you, okay? It wasn't a lot of potatoes, but we got a big potato salad. So, you know, little by little. It doesn't have to be big, huge harvest. Just harvest as you go, as you need it. And it feels good. It feels good. I can't believe we're eating our own potatoes. Super cool. All right, everybody. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Don't forget, don't let fear hold you back or keep you down. Woo. Garden success.